All right, welcome back to the channel, Smart Money Gang. You already know what it is, man. It's SMSFX10, and y'all already know how to get my mentorship, man. How to get my private mentorship, SMSFXMentors.com, man. How to go and check out all my free content, guys. I have tons of free content, and I know why you guys clicked on the video today. You guys want to understand the strategy I use to make 1K plus a day in the markets, and how I'm constantly closing out profits, and how I'm constantly floating in the markets, guys. So I'm constantly floating in the market. We live right now, and I'm constantly floating in the market. I'm about 500 up. I already currently closed up profit already. Currently closed up profit already. So I already currently closed up almost 1100, 1200 plus, guys. So I already closed up 1200 plus. I already have 400 floating in the market, right? Plus, you know, we got sniper entries, guys. Sniper entries, sniper entries. All right. So currently floating in the market. Go to history, currently just closed out almost $1,100 right there. So how I'm making 1K plus a day, right? Strategy, right? So we about to go over it right now. We about to show you exactly how I caught it, and you know how I actually stay in the trade, right? So you already know, man, who do it first? SMSFXMentors.com, man. So if y'all want that private mentorship, then y'all can come run up a bag with me. But anyways, man, I ain't gonna brag and boast, man. We're gonna hop right into it because I know why you guys came here, man. Look, I am not a financial advisor, guys. I cannot tell you how to do the bag, how to get the bag, where to put the money at, where to put the money there. But I can mentor you guys. So that's why I offer a private mentorship where, you know, hey, I can send out premium signals to you guys. I can actually coach you guys. We can come up with a trading plan, a trading strategy that works out for you. We can fit a time frame that actually works for you. We can show you the breakdown on what works for you. And then we can actually teach you the psychology and the methodology on actually entering the trade and exiting the trade, proper risk management and proper risk to reward ratios. Okay, so that is what I offer in my bundles. So you have to go to my website and check me out, and like I said, smsfxmentors.com. So now I'm going to share the screen, and I'm gonna show you guys my exact trade off of EU and how I'm actually running up a bag and how I'm actually staying in profits right now as we speak, guys. So how I'm running up this bag is, you know, maybe for like the past couple weeks, right? We've been in a bearish channel, right? So I basically trade off the 4-hour, guys. I trade off the 4-hour, man. You know, and that's just me, guys. And like I said, this is my breakdown. So this is my methodology and my psychology and how I enter the trade, and then how I'm finding my exit points. All right. So currently, you know, I've been in this Euro trade since about down here, right? It's been back and forth, but I finally got my break like at around this level right here. And then we got this big old push up to the upside, which we currently see here. Like I said, I closed out a few of them, but as you see, we floating, my baby. We still floating, dog. So we still floating, man, and I'm still holding this trade, guys. And like I said, today is Thursday, right? So we still got Friday. We still got a lot of moves that may happen meantime, in between time. But maybe I'm looking for you know, a take profit at around maybe this area right here. We already done blew through the 618. So I'm thinking maybe this 414 area, or maybe this 2414 area, or maybe this 19600 level. You know, we'll see, right? But right now, like I said, I'm liking the trade. We floating, and everything's seeming good. So, but anyways, right? We was in this bearish trend right here, and I like to simplify everything, guys. I don't like to be too much with this, that, and the third. But yeah, we seen this bearish channel right here, and what you would call a bullish flag. So what you see right here, reacting to this bearish channel, bullish flag. I always try to enter, you know, off of these off of these breakout points. So when price breakout here, entry, right? I could take it up to a certain point. When price broke out from right here, entry, and then boom, I could take it up to a certain point, right? Because it broke out of the structure of a bearish channel, guys. So once it broke this structure, retested the structure, boom, we got to push up to the upside. So that's pretty much how a bearish flag, bearish channel, bullish flag goes. I'm going to actually show you guys an example, right? So what I'll do is I'll click up here and then I'll go to Google. I'm saying we go to google.com, and then I'm gonna show you guys what a bearish channel is, right? So I'll show you guys what a bearish channel is. First, bearish channel pattern. I'll show you what that looks like. So we can go over here to images, so you can kind of see exactly what I seen actually going on. We got an example here, and we got it's actually telling us we had a bearish channel, right? Then we actually had a point of support, right, which was a higher support than this last support, and then we had a breakout. Once we got to this breakout point, boom, hey, we can target this next high, and then the probability in taking that trade is awesome because okay, we know this is a bearish channel, which is also known as a bullish flag. So let me give you a little bit more examples and ideas of what this is what it looks like. And this is what we wait for. We wait for, price to fail to make any lower lows. And then we try to get our positioning over here. And then we try to get our take profit around our next highs, guys. So it's pretty simple, man, on how, falling channels. You can call it a falling channel, right? But it's just, a bearish channel. Like I said, price failed to make a lower low. And then we had to push up to the upside. So that was more so what I was looking for, guys. So now, I can go type in bullish flags, and then you guys can really see the difference, right? Or you can see the interest in that position or in positioning yourself, right, when you get to that level. So this is the same thing. This is a bullish flag right here, which is first you see a bearish channel, then you see price failing to or attempt to try to break the bearish channel in the downward trend, but it doesn't actually find support, which is a higher support. Then we position ourselves right at the breakout. We got stops here, and then we got our entry point, or we could add our entry point here too as well, right at this breakout of this pin bar right here. So then we could have got in here too, guys. But yeah, we got that push up to the upside. So if you go back to EURUSD, and we go ahead and look at what's going on, we see the same bearish channel, bullish flag going on, right? So now I seen this pattern forming up. I was just waiting on my entry points. So now, right, I already knew I had the 17,500 area covered, and then I already seen that at the 17,800 level, a new support was formed, right? So now I know, okay, boom, this is one of my zones. This is a demand zone, because right here, a lot of buyers stepped into the zone. Right here, a lot of buyers came in, and then once price pushed up, it came back and retraced right back to this same level, right? And it rejected this level, right? So it rejected this level here, we pushed up, and then it started rejecting it here more, pushed up, and then right here we got these 1, 2, 3 rejections right here. At that point, that's when I was, ready to slap the fib out. I was like, okay, let me slap the fib out. I seen a hit right here, a hit right here. That was 2 hits, guys. So what I did was, actually right here, when I got the double bottoms, or the needle bottoms, I mean, right here. And then we got the engulfing, right? So after the engulfing right here, and this candle actually closed, I actually pulled out the fib, right? So I went from point A to point B, right? So once I seen this higher supported level right here, I actually pulled the fib out right above, right here on this, when I seen this big Maribozu candle come, which engulfed this candle right here. So right off the engulfing, you know what I mean? And then, right off the engulfing and the break of this level right here was entry point. But I literally probably right up in here, I got in. And then how I wanted to see if I wanted to hold the trade was me pulling out the fib. So once this actually formed right here, and I actually knew what it was, and then we had another a push up, and it failed to get to this high right here. I started seeing problems. That's when I pulled the fib out, guys. So I'm just trying to keep it 100. So I'm just trying to keep it a buck, guys. So what happened was I went from point A right here to point B where we first started having problems at. So we finally got that little drop right here to the 0.382. So I'm like, okay. And then we got to push up, but a failure to make a new high. So right here, I ain't gonna lie, I was kind of spooked out or whatever. So like I said, I had the fib on, so I already kind of knew like, okay, I'm gonna wait on my golden areas. The 618 and the 786 are my golden areas. So I know for a fact if price is falling back, as it broke structure here, from this uptrend, it broke structure right here because it created a lower high. So I already knew price was coming down. So I could have got in for a little scalp, or I'm already understanding that, guys, this is just a correction, right? So we got impulsive move, correction, right? Pull back around here to the 618, or it may bounce off the 786. Any one of these, levels, even right here, as long as it don't break or, break through any type of trends, right? As long as it don't break through any trend that you have set up, then you should already know like, okay, boom, this is a nice level. This is a nice supported level, and price will have to come all the way back to the 17,500 level for you to think that it's breaking structure and going to continue down to the downside. So, like I said, I got my close, or my close above the 618, and then I also started getting my closes above, you know, the 786. So I already started understanding that, okay, price is trying to find a higher support, or price want to push to the upside. So that's how I basically got my entry right around here. I already had a couple um um buy stops set right here at this 18,000 level. So once price got to this 18,000 level, I'm automatic filling my order in. Boom, 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 boom. So that's how I'm catching these rises up. And as it's rising up, once it crossed this last high, I'm putting another order in. Once it crossed this next last high, I'm putting another order in, right? So knowing when to compound your account and knowing when not to compound your account, so that you can be floating in blues through a whole video and not be really worried, right? You're actually making a video and you're actually in profits, guys. That's why I'm so calm right now. Now, more than likely, once I get my retracement off the 618 or the 786 level, I'm either taking it to the 027 level, or I'm taking it to the 0618 level. All right, guys. Mind you, I always mark up areas of interest, right? Because I need to know my lowest points of the day, which is my supports, and my highest points of the day, which are my resistance, guys. So that is very, very, very important to me. And if you want to know my strategy on how I break a lot of things down, you can find it right here for free on this channel, guys. Like I told you, when you're ready to take trading serious and take it to the next level, you'll reach out for a mentorship. Someone that'll hold you accountability until you can get into that psychological level. Because like I said, I can give you 100% winning rate, 200% winning rate, 90%, 80%, whatever the win rate is, I can give you that. And you can still lose hella trades back to back to back. And I can be giving you the exact sauce that really, really works, right? So like right here, it was super simple. So now I know, I got exit plans. I got maybe right here I can exit. Maybe right here at this point I can exit. When we get there, I'll understand. This 19,200 level may be a level where I can exit. This 19,600 level can be a where I can exit, or this 19,800, or it may get all the way back up to this main key level that I got marked off, which is the 1.2 thousand. So like I said, guys, I seen this bearish channel right here, which is called a bullish pennant. I marked up my numbers, and then I was able to actually pull a fib out, and it actually worked perfectly. My golden areas, I told you guys, the 618 level and the 786 level. So once we got a bounce off there, I already had my point in place where I'm entering that no matter what, guys. So I'm consistent on where I'm entering that, right? I'm consistent. I know, okay, the news is on, right? I'm consistent at where I'm entering that, and you guys see, we in blues, guys. So look, man, basically, look, I ain't trying to come here and brag, stunt, or nothing like that. I wanted to give you guys my exact breakdown of what I did on Euro. And hopefully, like I said, it will help and step up you guys trading weeks, and then that you guys can simply be in blues as well. When you're ready to get that full mentorship, SMSFXMentors.com. I'm always here for you. One-on-one coaching, man. Of course, you get one-on-one. You really get access to me, guys. So if I was you, I'd be taking advantage of that. And you could be running up a bag as well, man. So like I said, man, SMSFXmentors.com. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, man. And if you made it this far, man, this is the actual truth, guys. Go ahead and check this out. Apply this to your trading methods. And yeah, man, hope you have a great and wonderful day, and enjoy the rest of your week, man. Trading week. Let's get it. Gang. I know I'm the first to do it, man.